Wow! What just happened?
Hi guys, we are Fresh Kids of East London, and today you are watching Yum.
My name's Bluebell.
And my name is Willow, and today we are making a lovely Mexican, vegetarian, black beans and guacamole quesadillas.
They're very tasty and healthy for you. That's why I love them. Mexicana. Oh, Mexicana. Right, yeah.
The ingredients you need are
Olive oil,
1 onion chopped,
1 clove garlic crushed,
a can of black beans drained,
salt and pepper,
1 avocado,
1 teaspoon of lime juice,
1 red onion finely chopped,
1 tomato that's fresh and chopped,
flour tortillas,
and of course, 25 grams of grated cheese.
The ingredients will be shown again at the end of the video so you don't forget.
And now we have a special tradition, and the song goes like this. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub, wash your hands as much as you can. Oh no, Why, bubbles?
Now we must dry our hands.
My hands are more important than yours, they're too small.
Well, it takes me longer to dry my hands because my hands are bigger. Okay.
What? My
Fine,
hands
dry
are
them.
soaking wet.
Da-na-na-na. There we go. To start off, we need to get our colander and drain out our beans.
So let me get the colander.
Put it in the sink so it doesn't go everywhere. And I'm going to get the beans.
Be careful, please don't spill it. Careful.
It's purple.
That looks like cat food.
Yeah, but it's going to be tasty. That never happened.
And now that the sink is perfectly purple, just leave it in the sink for now.
I did nothing. Some of the extra things you're going to need are some measuring spoons.
Oh, sorry, a cheese grater,
You're also going to need a mashing thingy.
a spatula that you use to smash flies.
You're going to need a mixing spoon, a wooden mixing spoon,
You're going to need a garlic cracker.
a knife, a mixing bowl, and a big frying pan.
I couldn't do any because I was just fixing the thingamajiggy, the garlic crusher.
Now it gets a bit tricky. We need to get our big frying pan and we're going to need to put it on the stove and we're going to be cooking our onions and our garlic. Now we've got it on the hob, we're going to put in our olive oil. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons. So we're going to put the olive oil in, but we're just going to leave the pan over so we can do it on top of the pan.
So I'm just going to do it. Now I just need to...
Swirl it around.
I'm just going to pop this over there.
Look how cool it looks.
Ooh, this smells weird.
Okay, and now our mum's going to come and turn the hob on for us. Whoa.
Oh, can you see one of the flames are going?
Looks so cool.
No.
Now we just have to let it heat up.
A few moments later.
Now we're going to bring the pan a bit closer so we can pour in the onions and spread them around. And Blue is going to crush the garlic.
Be careful because the flames can just like pop up sometimes and burn you. Oops.
And
I'm a
we're going
bit
to crush the
too high.
garlic. Crush as hard as you can. Strong. Strong man. Yeah, there, it's coming, it's coming.
We
Crush.
need a knife to just like cut it down off.
There you go. Kind of worked.
Look how flat it looks.
Now we're going to cook it for 2 minutes.
Later.
Now we're going to put in our drained black beans. So I'm going to move it a bit
do you want me
closer.
to get them for you?
Yes, please. There they are.
They've been sick for
pour
a
them in.
while.
Oh.
Oh, a bit dripping.
Now we're going to again add oil to finish it off for us.
Eventually.
Now we've got the halves of our avocado and we've got a piece of lime.
So I'm just gonna get some spoons for us, big or small?
Big.
There we
So
go.
we've got 2 spoons, 1 each.
I want this one.
Okay.
It's prettier.
We
We
to
need
get
a bowl.
The bowl, which is over here. this big one.
We just need to scoop the avocado out and put it into the bowl.
Just literally just scoop it out.
I really want to eat it. Whoa, that's a lot of avocado juice. Oh, it's green. I got a piece.
Oh, I've got it. I scooped the whole thing out like at once. There we go. Oh. There we go.
If there's any extras, I'm just going to eat it. And let me just finish mine. I am strong. Can I eat some? It's really tasty. Are they just going to watch us eating avocado?
Maybe. Now we need to squeeze our lime into our bowl. Lime flavor.
Guacamole is supposed to be guacky, not limey.
Okay. Now we need to wipe our hands somewhere because they're all limey. Oh, now we need to wash our hands because it... Why'd you try it?
Now we need a thingamajiggy
Now we need to wipe our hands.
somebody keeps on throwing out of nowhere.
Maybe it fell from the sky.
I think it was from our mum.
Maybe. Could be that as well.
Yeet.
Next we need to pour in our chopped tomatoes. Same thing.
Oh, in here.
Yeah.
Oh, I never knew that you put tomatoes in guacamole.
Stop eating everything. Now we need to put in our red onions.
Get the ingredients. Oh, this bowl's from Tiger. Should I taste some?
No. Now we need to get the masher and a fork to mash it up. I'm just going to get a fork. Yeah, just mash it. Mash it like you mean it.
Mash it like you mean it. We're trying to mash the avocado, so then it's like snot.
Ew. Now we're going to put a pinch of salt and pepper into our guacamole. We're going to get 1 tortilla each.
I'm taking this one because I accidentally ripped yours a little bit.
We're going to move the bowl and put our tortilla onto our plate.
I'm going to be a chef. Cha cha. We're making pizza.
No, we're not.
So now we're going to
Get our black beans and we're going to get our guacamole and spread it across our tortilla.
we can't forget that there's onion and garlic in this.
Yeah.
So we need.
Here's your fork.
Thanks so much. Wait, what do we do again? Do we spread it?
Yeah, take it out and put it on the tortilla. And I'm going to start with my guacamole.
And
That's
that
definitely not enough guacamole.
is a lot of guacamole, but not a lot.
It's not enough.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
more
going to
guacamole.
get a wooden spoon, a small one though. And I'm back. That's better. Who's that hair? Somebody's hair got in my food and I had to pick it out.
Yeah, that's not very nice.
I need help.
I'll help you in a sec. 1 sec.
I've got my handy fork.
I need a bit more. Now I'm going to put our black beans.
Okay.
Do you want to do it yourself?
Should I use a fork?
Yeah.
There you go, black beans. Do you think that's enough?
Yeah, that's fine.
Now we finally finished all of the beans, so we're just going to pop this in the sink.
We're going to do our cheese.
Yes!
Okay.
I love it. I just want
Take
to...
a handful. We're just going to spread it about.
Is this too much?
No, that's fine.
This cheese makes me feel like I need to move my feet like a wild lady. Oh yeah.
So we need 1 more tortilla each to flatten it down and make it into a sandwich.
So only.
Okay,
But I need
put
it
it on
to
top
be very
and flatten it down.
even. Cheese.
You have to really flatten it. Now we're going to get an adult to cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Oh, it just about fits.
I want to see. Isn't it hard?
Now we're just going to let it cook. Now that our mum's cooked them, they're ready to eat. Oh, they look so tasty.
And I taste a bit that was on top, and it tastes a bit like mushroom, but it wasn't. Ah.
It's so good.
Whoa.
Even better than I thought it'd be.
That's it. Sorry. Did you taste some?
The guacamole is so good.
They taste like if you bite into them and then chew a lot, it tastes like lime and a whole load of different combinations.
Tastes like a rainbow.
With the onion and the beans together, it makes it taste a bit like mushroom. It's like really healthy and it makes me want to just go. Wow! What just happened?
Remember, the ingredients will show again at the end of the video. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.
So groovy, smoothie, I wanna blend you. Wanna taste you like doo-doo poo-poo. Now stop staring at me and eat your tortillas. Anybody want to taste anymore?